After being body shamed by haters, Hilary Duff clapped back with an epic Instagram post. This episode of Clevver's newsfeed was brought to you by Twix. It's time to decide. Which side are you, left Twix or right Twix? Hilary Duff is making it very clear that she loves her body because it gave her the best gift she could have ever asked for. Hilary Duff was vacationing in Hawaii with her son Luca after a long stint of shooting when paparazzi snapped some photos of her at the beach. Trolls then body shamed her about her perfectly normal looking legs, and to that, Hilary was sure to clap back. She reposted one of the photos on Instagram with the caption, "I am posting this on behalf of young girls, women, and mothers of all ages. I'm enjoying a vacation with my son after a long season of shooting and being away from him for weeks at a time over those months. Since websites and magazines love to share celeb vlogs, well, I have them. My body has given me the greatest gift of my life, Luca, 5 years ago. I'm turning 30 in September and my body is healthy and gets me where I need to go. Ladies, let's be proud of what we've got and stop wasting precious time in the day wishing we were different, better, and unflawed. You guys, you know who you are, already know how to ruin a good time, and now you are body shamers as well. Hashtag kiss my ass." First of all, you tell him, Hilary. Second of all, I want to see what the person who body shamed her looks like because Hilary looks bomb in that photo. Not everyone has injected and surgically perfected limbs and butt cheeks. Hilary previously admitted that she used to be insecure about her legs in an Instagram post back in February, saying, quote, "I didn't always love my legs, but as I've grown, I've learned to love and celebrate myself. Just as I am. I began to realize that my legs are strong and they carry me every single day." Touche. Give some props to my girl Hilary in the comment section below, and per usual, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Clevver News, you guys. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey, and I'll see you next time. Click left to see Lily Reinhardt's sweet message to Cole Sprouse, or click right to hear Aaron Carter's coming out message. Thanks again to Twix for sponsoring this episode. It's time to decide. Which side are you, left Twix or right Twix?